Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Shreya and I am back again with yet another buzzworthy career option for you after engineering. So today we are going to talk about one of the prominent options nowadays, that is Python developer. Python is a simple syntax programming language that makes it easier to keep the code readable and application maintainable. It is a general-purpose and high-level programming language that allows focusing on the core functionality of the application by taking care of common programming tasks. Do you know why numerous top-notch companies prefer to use Python? Do you know what actually makes Python so successful and prepared for the future? This is because of the support it provides to the newest technologies which have brilliant future prospects. Job responsibilities of a Python web developer includes writing server-side web application logic. Python web developers commonly develop backend components, connect applications with the other third-party web services, and provide support to the front-end developers by integrating their work with the Python apps. You would be amazed to know that numerous successful apps like Netflix, Spotify, Uber, etc. have been created by Python only. This is why it is considered the language of today and the future. It can also develop desktop GUI and website applications looking at the brilliant scope of these technologies, which are heavily supported by Python codes. Python developers are in a high demand not because the language is quite popular and widely used, but due to the fact that Python emerged as a solution in various areas. It is often wondered, is Python the future of programming? So some benefits of Python that can provide an appropriate answer are: it's free, capable of both back-end and front-end development, cross-platform language, support from Python web developers community, and easy to code. Expertise in core Python, a good knowledge of web frameworks, artificial intelligence and machine learning skill set, good understanding of multi-purpose architecture, knowledge of front-end technologies, knowledge of better authorization and authentication are the key skills to be a Python developer. Institutions like Edureka, Urban Pro, TechStag, and DataTrain can provide you with quality tutorials in making you learn Python. An entry-level Python developer can earn up to 5 lakhs, which increases to around 11 lakhs with increased experience. Isn't that amazing? So this is it for today's video. I hope you must have got insights to relate to this growing career option. Also, stay tuned to our social media handles to know the latest updates in the tech space. Do not forget to like, comment, and share the video if you find it useful. Stay tuned.